Alright, so I got it apart, and I think I found the problem. So here's the wastegate opening here on the exhaust housing, and here's the approximate size. We're looking at about 16 millimeters. So we're going to see how much we can improve this by. I know I can go probably open it up at least another 10 millimeters, and we'll see if that's enough. So this is what I'm ending up with here. That's approximately 24 millimeters. Not quite the 26 I was hoping, but I left a little bit of room around the outside there just to make sure the flap seals. I did contour it so the air kind of is directed out of the port there. I also did some shaping on the inside here. Just try to direct the airflow out of the port there, so hopefully this works. I guess we'll get it back together and try it out, and I'll update you guys. One other thing I did here, I just put the flange on the belt sander, make sure that was flat. It was leaking a little bit before, so just trying to help it seal a little better. I did try to contour the sharp edge that was on the inside here, just to kind of direct the airflow a little better. So hopefully all these little things will give me some good results. So that last clip was a full throttle pull there, kick down. As you've seen, it only made, from what I saw there, about 5 pounds up just before it shifted. So I think we should be okay now. So I'll hook this back up and give it another test and see if we could have a decent control of the boost now. So as you saw in the last clip there, that was 5 pounds of boost, and that's with the wastegate reconnected. So it seems to be working normal now. I am going to hook up my manual boost controller and see if we can get a little bit more boost out of it before I go ahead and crank up that rod anymore. I'd rather just use the boost controller instead of putting more pressure on the wastegate diaphragm and everything down there. So other than that, it works pretty good. The spool's pretty quick. I do think it's holding a little power back due to that 2 1/4 outlet on the adapter piece there. The old turbo was 3-inch straight off the turbo, so I do think this is holding back a little bit because it doesn't quite make the same power it did at the 5 psi like it did before. So I'll let you guys know how this does end up holding up. So far it's been pretty good. I do have to get an air filter on this soon, but for now it's doing what I need it to do, and I'll keep running this for now until I decide to do another setup, which probably won't be till the spring now, being that it's September and the snow will be on the way soon. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out if you're chasing the same kind of issues I was. Now you know where to look, especially if you want less than 10 pounds of boost. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.